Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT8 Pro Dream Edition, and let me share with you how to soft reset or force restart this device. So this operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. So you can try to soft reset it or force restart just by pressing the power button and volume up button together and wait until you see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons, and now we have to keep pressing them until we will see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So keep pressing the buttons. Okay, we've got the black screen, which is a really good sign, so keep pressing. Now I felt the vibration, we've got the developer's logo, which means that we can release the fingers, and now simply wait until our device will be automatically powered on again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.